Angeles City is a community rich in Kapampangan culture and heritage, endowed with economic and business opportunities. Dubbed as the entertainment capital of Central Luzon, it offers a lot more than just the usual fun and excitement. Sisig is one dish that exemplifies all these. Sisig is a favorite dish among Filipinos, which according to the Center for Kapampangan Studies, originated from Angeles City and has been in the menu since the 1730s. Sisig is basically a mixture of finely chopped roasted pork cheeks, pig ears, and chicken liver combined with onions and pepper, seasoned with calamansi. During the olden times, it was a favorite of expectant mothers, who nibbled on crunchy pork cheeks with some vinegar. It later became a favorite of the beer-loving community and was often matched with the malt liquor. After some time, it was served sizzling hot on metal plates and evolved as the sisig we know today. It was said to be popularized by Aling Lusing, who sold it commercially in larger volumes. Today, it is a dish that the whole family can share at any particular time of day and is often combined with rice. Kapampangans have always been known for their good food and mouth-watering cuisine. And December is a time when Angeles City showcases its pride in culinary excellence. During this time, Angeles City holds its annual Sisig Festival. Now in its third year, it showcases 176 ways of cooking sisig to commemorate its 176th founding anniversary. More and more of the delicious cuisine has been made to cater to whatever your taste buds desire. Ingredients from the festival came in every variety, from meat and poultry to vegetarian, seafood, and even the exotic types like snake and frog meat. More than 30 restaurants and individuals joined the on-the-spot cooking competition. The contestants had 1 hour to chop, grill, and create their culinary masterpieces. The smell and aroma filled the air that night, while tons of sisig-hungry fans flocked to the area and anxiously waited their fill of free food. The first Sisig Festival was launched in 2003 and attempted to put Angeles City in the Guinness Book of World Records by serving more than 600 kilos of sisig on a giant sizzling plate measuring 16 feet by 32 feet. The following year, the city had about 4 times more with 2,500 kilos of sisig, feeding a frenzy of sisig-loving people. The festival is actually the dream of City Mayor Carmelo Tarzan Lasatin. The festivity came complete and packaged with a whole day of fun, music and dancing, combined with fascinating cultural performances to satisfy all your senses. A visit to Angeles City would surely be remembered. The Sisig Festival would prove to be an exciting and exhilarating experience, something worth looking forward to year after year.